Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting your Google accounts so Surfer can pull real performance data. This saves time and avoids guesswork. Next, enter your primary keyword, select location and language, and confirm SERP settings. Once done, choose whether to run a full audit or open the content editor. Pick audit for existing pages. Make sure to set a realistic word count range based on top-ranking pages, because Surfer uses that to suggest structure and length. You'll now interpret Surfer's recommendations. Start with keyword density and TF scores to balance use of your keyword, then apply NLP terms to increase topical relevance. Meanwhile, compare top competitors' headings and content structure to spot gaps. This shows you where to add subheads or examples. Next, use the content editor to apply edits in real time or export suggestions to your CMS. As you work, prioritize changes that improve user intent match. Those drive rankings most quickly. You finish by publishing the optimized page and scheduling a follow-up audit to track ranking changes and organic traffic. Then, run simple A/B tests on titles and meta descriptions to boost click-through rate. Small gains matter. If you don't see improvement after a few weeks, recheck search intent alignment, expand or refine your keyword mix, and audit backlink quality, because content alone may not be enough. One troubleshooting tip: if metrics stall, compare your page's topical cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.